Now, there's breaking news around Thabo, Cele and Kaizer Chiefs. At the moment, the player has not joined the team to Spain for that pre-season tour under the leadership of Fernando de Cruz, the new coach. He's been told that he's not part of the plans, that is Thabo Cele, and the player understandably quite shocked and surprised because he'd been part of the preparations, but with Fernando de Cruz arriving, Thabo Cele being told he's not part of the plans, but he will not sign a termination contract or termination agreement until there's a viable option for him to move elsewhere. Thabo Cele will likely try to ride out his contract unless there's a viable option elsewhere, because he still has a contract with Kaizer Chiefs, which he signed on the 1st of January 2025, and it was a 2-year contract with an option to renew. So some years to go there, and if they don't agree on a settlement, he will sit and ride it out. But if they do, then Thabo Cele will be a free agent and join another club. So keep it locked on all my social media platforms for all updates on this story and more.